Hi, in today's video I'll show you how to apply for an IPO on Upstocks on their web platform. We'll go to the website upstocks.com, go into products and tools and click on IPOs. Or alternatively, we can directly go to the website invest.upstocks.com. Scroll down and click on invest in IPOs. It opens the same page. Now we will sign in. Ensure you're in IPO and ongoing IPOs. To apply, it's a simple two-step process. Create your IPO application and accept the UPI mandate. Right now, only India Pesticides Limited is open. The other two, they are closed because they have crossed their date. So for India Pesticides Limited, IPL will be the stock symbol when it's listed on the exchange, and one lot size is of 50. The price range is 290 to 296 rupees, and you can apply between 23rd to 25th June. If you click on view timeline, you can even see more dates, like the allotment date is 2nd July. It will be listed on 5th July. You can click on IPO details to see further details, like the IPO size is of 800 crores and a short description on the company and mainly what the funds will be used for. We'll click on apply. You can apply between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. First step will be to enter a UPI ID. These are the UPI handles accepted by Upstocks. Investor type will remain individual. Coming to bid 1. One lot is of 50 shares. So you can put 2 lots, which is 100 shares, and 3 lots, which is 150 shares. Bid price, for now I'll put the lower price band, which is 290 rupees. I can add another bid from here and say this is just one lot, but at cutoff price. I'll just click this and it puts the upper price band. I can add up to 3 bids, bid 1, 2 and 3. You can delete the bid from here. Delete bid, delete bid. Now I'll go with just one bid, 3 lots, but at cutoff price, and last step would be to tick this terms and conditions. It's always best practice to apply at the cutoff price, because say you had placed the bid for 290 rupees, but later the issue price is finalized to be 291 rupees. So just because of that 1 rupee difference per share, your application will get rejected. But if you apply at the cutoff price, that is 296 rupees, and say issue price is finalized to be the same 291 rupees, your bid will be accepted and you will be refunded the difference, that is 5 rupees per share. So your IPO application always qualifies. Also, to improve your chance of getting allotted, say for 2 lots, instead of applying for both the lots from your account itself, apply for just one on your account and the other one on your family member's account, which is on their name. Now just as a quick recap, I'll fill the entire application from start and show it to you. We are in ongoing IPOs. I'll click on apply. First step will be to enter the UPI ID. Investor type will remain individual. In bid 1, we are purchasing 3 lots at cutoff price, terms and conditions ticked. Continue. Over here we'll confirm this much quantity, this much amount. Confirm, and the application has been created. We'll view the application. This is the application number and only payment is pending. Coming to my phone, I've received a mandate request. I'm going to authorize it. And the mandate has been created. If you want to see the mandate later, come to the home page and you can tap on the profile picture and go into mandates. Over here you can see India Pesticides. It's live, and you can even go into pending and see all the previous mandates which you had previously paid. Now coming back to PC, in IPO, in my applications, the payment status, it's still showing pending. I'm going to refresh it. The payment status has changed to accepted by investor. That's it, it's that simple. If you have any doubts, do ask in the comment section.